Hello everyone, this is Jim. Today in this video, I will introduce video-3E CSV control mode. And the first part, what's CSV control? CSV means cyclic synchronous velocity mode. In this control mode, the controller will complete the velocity planning and send the target velocity to the servo driver, and the servo driver will control the motor to rotate in a certain speed. And here is some input and output objects of this CSV mode. We need to set the servo running mode and target speed, speed offset, and speed limit. And here are some applications about CSV control modes. This control mode is widely used in production line, textile machine, and CNC control. And now I will introduce some related object dictionary in details. From this table, you can see these parameters are related to CSV control, and then the object marked by red is important parameter. So here you can see first we need to set the operation mode of the driver, and this is velocity actual value, max speed limit, and the acceleration and deceleration. But here, this profile acceleration and profile deceleration, these two parameters are taking effect in PV mode, not in CSV mode. And this one is our target speed, 60 FF. So first we need to set 60 to 9. 9 is CSV control. And you will see the panel will show 8, 9, RN. And here are some velocity control parameters, actual velocity and target velocity. And this is the acceleration and deceleration setting. And also you can set the backward and the forward speed limit, also torque limit. Okay, and now I will show you how to use 6C to control video-3E run in CSV mode. First, we need to collect 6C to our PC. Here, need to set the 6C and your PC in same lane. And create is a cat slave. Add device. Here, this is the different version of the device file. This one should be same with your server firmware, and you can check server firmware in parameter U, 2, and 4. And later we need to double click is cat master and select the address. We select this one, ETH1. Click OK. Login device. Okay, we can see the communication is normal now. And next step, we need to add object dictionary. Here, double click our server master and click this export setting. Here in process data, we have two group parameter. This one is output parameter, and this group is input parameter. At the speed limit, and at the target velocity. For outputs, we can add this velocity actual value. Compare and log in. Okay. Here, log in our device. And in this EtherCAT I/O mapping, if you can see for now, these parameters are not updated because we didn't create parameter and didn't map this parameter to our variable. So we can you can click this one, enable. Use path cycle task to map this to modify this parameter. Compile and log in again. Okay. First, set the operation mode to 9. 9 means CSV mode. You can see here, in here, this group, the operation mode display is changed to 9. Ten means CST control. Here we change back to 9. Here you don't have to set the acceleration and the deceleration because these two parameters only take effect in PV mode. And also set the target velocity and the max velocity limit. Here I use a 17 bit motor. So this value means 60 RPM. And also we need to set the control word to enable the driver. If you want to enable the driver, you can set the low 4 bits of this parameter as on status to enable the driver. You can see here, PLC is reading the actual value, speed value. Change the speed. And here the actual value is also changing. And you can see the actual position value is changing, increasing. Okay, so that's all about CSV control mode. Also, you can use some function block to control the driver in CSV mode. Here I show you how to control the driver only by PDO configuration without program setting. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your watching.